Elon Musk went public with his Tesla phone model. From automobiles to space travel, Elon Musk has worked in some of the most exciting industries, and he is still doing so. Now he is ready for a new challenge after taking over the phone business. Tesla is getting ready to release its modern smartphone, and people can't wait to get their hands on it. But what is Python, and can it compete with Samsung and Apple? Let's find out. But before we move on to the main part of the video, subscribe to our channel now and press the bell icon. Everyone is sure that the Tesla Pi phone is better than all competitors because of Tesla's unique qualities. Elon Musk has again done something that no one could have predicted with his Tesla company. He is the only person to have completely changed the auto industry. He has beaten big companies like Toyota, Volkswagen, and General Motors. Elon Musk seems to have been successful from the start. There is the business SpaceX, where the CEO has made a name for himself in the fields of space and rocket technology. The space company has become so successful that it has helped NASA with projects. However, Tesla's technological revolution isn't over yet. The Tesla Model Python will have the biggest impact on people's lives. Many people will switch from using iPhones to using Model Pythons. Tesla has made it clear that things will be different from now on. Everything that Tesla has added to its Model Python is new to the industry and pretty revolutionary. First, let's talk about the camera. The current hype about buying a phone always starts with looking at how good the camera is. If a phone's camera isn't very good, we usually neglect that phone. Tesla has given their fans a lot of camera quality with 108 megapixels, while Apple is stuck at only 48 megapixels. Who wouldn't want a phone with a better camera? But that's not all for the Tesla camera. They added another feature that will excite its users and make them want more of the Tesla Pi. What we're talking about is the camera's untold ability to do more than one thing at a time. With the Tesla Model Pi, you'll be able to take high-quality photos and videos at the same time. This is good news for photo and video fans who have been waiting for someone to solve this problem. Tesla's front camera can take 48 megapixel photos. Apple's front camera, on the other hand, can only take 12 megapixel photos, giving Tesla an edge in this area. Musk's Python will have 5G internet service and work with GPS and Bluetooth version 5.2. It's not surprising to see new phones with 5G, but the fact that the Pi phone uses SpaceX's Starlink system makes it stand out. Other services use Earth-based telecommunications, but the Tesla phone will have built-in features to make it easy to surf the web and enjoy high-speed, low-latency broadband internet in several markets. By using low-orbiting Starlink satellites, the phone allows for smooth video calling, online gaming, and streaming. It will also have standard features like 512 gigabytes to 1 terabyte of storage space, 8 to 16 gigabytes of RAM, and an AMOLED display. The Pi phone is expected to work with Tesla's EVs, so users will be able to do different things from their phones. Tesla already has an app for iPhone and Android users that lets them control their cars. With the app, they can lock and unlock their cars, start or stop the engine, and even call the car to their location. The app for the Pi phone may come with additional features as Tesla adds new features to their EVs and attracts more people to the new product. There's an interesting trend going on here. It seems that Tesla picks up right where Apple left off and takes the game to a whole new level. It's no wonder that the Tesla Model Pi is 10 times better than Apple. Tesla has a battery capacity of up to 7,500 milliamperes, which means it can go about 3 days without needing to be charged. It's annoying to have to charge your phone now and then, especially if you use it a lot. Apple has tried with a battery capacity of 4,500 milliamperes, but everyone will like the Model Python, which has a higher capacity. You might think that Apple phones charge faster than Tesla until you find out that the Tesla Model Python only needs half an hour to fully charge. Customers of the iPhone have complained that the magnetic charging is painfully slow. Since most people don't have a lot of patience, Tesla went ahead and added something else that would solve the charging problem for good. This time, they put a thin layer of solar panels on the back of the phone. With this feature, when your phone's battery is almost dead, all you have to do is flip it over and let the sun charge it. Both Tesla and Apple phones have a good eye for design, but Tesla designers have a better eye for beauty. Detail and beauty. Apple designers have only changed the colors of their different brands in the 14 years they have been in the smartphone business. Automatically changing the colors of their phones is something new. Tesla doesn't just have to worry about Apple and Samsung when it brings out the Pi phone. With a new satellite-connected phone that works when there is no Wi-Fi or internet service, a British smartphone company wants to steal the show from Apple and Tesla. When it first comes out, this phone will automatically connect to one of two global satellite networks. Users will only be able to send and receive text messages. The recipient will get the message as an SMS and have to download the Bullet app before they can read it. Using the app, the Bullet phone owner will have to pay a monthly fee to use the service. The company won't say how much the service will cost, but they did say that there will be different payment plans that are the same as current mobile tariffs. Apple is working on a similar feature for the iPhone 14, but its emergency satellite connectivity will only work in North America. This is different from Bullet services, which can be used anywhere in the world. Richard Wharton, the co-founder of Bullet, said that a smartphone is coming out that will be able to send and receive messages via satellite and will have global coverage. Bullet services was supposed to be available by February 2023, but plans fell through because of regulatory approval, and it's unlikely that it will be ready before the end of 2023. We can't end this comparison without saying something about Tesla's Model Pi privacy policy, which will be even better than Apple's in the iPhone 14 update. If you don't know what we mean by the iPhone 14 update, here's the full story. Elon Musk himself has an iPhone and is willing to talk about how he uses it. This is what he said. People expect the phone to get better each year. I have an iPhone, but I don't like some of the recent software updates. For example, one update broke my email system, which is pretty important, so you wouldn't expect Tesla's phone to act this way. There's no doubt that Apple is a well-known maker of smartphones. Apple is good at making sure its users' privacy is kept safe. With their new update, Hush Hush at a Max gave their users a tool that let them choose whether to let apps track their private data or not. This update hurt Meta a lot because they like to collect private data from their users on an industrial scale. Elon Musk was happy about this update because he doesn't like how Facebook uses user data for its benefit. It won't be a surprise that the Tesla Model Pi will have a feature that gives users more control over how their data is shared by third-party apps. The Tesla Python is pretty futuristic, but we all know that Elon Musk can do anything when he puts his mind to it. When you have a Tesla phone in your hands, it will be more than just a smartphone. Tesla hasn't sold any cars yet, but compared to other cell phones, not even Apple has gotten this much attention in such a short amount of time. There are already a lot of rumors about the amazing features that these phones are said to have. What do you find most exciting about the Tesla Model Python? Feel free to tell us in the comment section below. Give this video a big thumbs up and do share it with your family and friends. Thanks for watching the video. We will be back with another new Tesla update. Until then, goodbye.